tell you about 3 different aspects of medicine and I'm actually currently in. So I work in emergency medicine. That's where I started. I love emergency medicine. It's very fast paced. It's very intense. I like the aspect that I deal with people when they're at their worst parts a lot of times, and I get to be there for them. I get to see all aspects, all age ranges, all different types of things. Then we have wellness medicine. Instead of taking the conventional medicine approach where you're just kind of band-aiding and giving meds and treating an actual illness, it's actually trying to make people feel better and get to the root problem. Really focused on diet, on exercise, on sleep, on stress management. And we have aesthetics. Aesthetics is my feel good, my happy place. Making people feel good on the outside the way they feel on the inside. It's really hands-on, it's very sculpting, it's very artistic. There's a lot of medical aspects of it. You're looking at ratios, you're looking at angles, but yet it's really kind of bringing out what people are really kind of craving. They want the fresh, they want the rejuvenation. So it's really making people feel good. I love all of them. I wouldn't trade it for the world. I love all my patients and I love medicine.